Linear equation in? What is mean by linear equation? Have we discussed simple equations in 7th class?
Yes, sir.
Simple equations.
Yes, sir.
So what is mean by simple equation?
The equality of two expressions is called equation, sir.
But I'm asking about simple equations. That is okay. That is equation definition. Very good, Nana. But what about simple equation? What about simple equation? See, do you know about algebraic expression? Algebraic expression.
Yes, sir.
What is mean by algebraic expression?
Finding the variable.
Finding the variables. Anyway, right? We'll discuss from starting onwards. See, an algebraic expression. Let us take the definition of algebraic expression first. Yeah, before going to that, see, okay. I'll explain. An algebraic expression is a combination of terms. Then what is mean by term? Term is a combination of numerals and variables. Okay. And we know what is numerals, nothing but numerical numbers, right? Then what about variable? Variable, it is an alphabet. And its value is not fixed. Its value is not fixed. It changes always. Okay. Variable, it varies always. It means it should be not fixed, Nana. Okay. That is the meaning of variable. Okay. See, Nana, we shall understand this concept by taking an example. Suppose wait, Nana, x plus 2y is an algebraic expression. X plus 2y is an algebraic expression. Okay. So it is a combination of two terms. One is x term and 2y term. Okay. What are the variables involved here?
X and Y, sir.
Two variables involved, right? Two variables involved. Right. Next, suppose x square plus 2y plus 2xy. Okay. It is also an algebraic expression. Okay. How many number of terms? Three terms.
Sir. 4.
1, 2, 3 terms we have. See, as I told you in the definition of that. So here, this algebraic expression is a combination of two terms. Combination of assigning with plus operation. Okay. And one more thing, write in the definition. An algebraic expression is a combination of terms assigning with plus and minus. Plus and minus. Okay. So terms is a combination of numerals and variables assigning with into and division. Algebraic expressions are assigning with plus and minus, whereas the terms are assigning with division and multiplication. What is the difference? Did you observe the difference, Nana? See, I will explain that. See here. So we are considering 2y is a single term, right? as a definition of term says 2 and y is assigning with multiplication operation which gives a single term.
Yes, sir. 2y.
Okay. 2y is a single term, right? Yes, Nana. Are you getting the concept?
Yes, sir.
సో ఇక్కడ 2y ని సపరేట్ టర్మ్ గా తీసుకోవట్లేదు. 2 ఒక టర్మ్ గా y ఒక టర్మ్. ఎందుకు? మన డెఫినేషన్ ఆఫ్ టర్మ్ ఏం చెప్తుంది? టర్మ్ అంటే ఒక న్యూమరికల్ అండ్ వేరియబుల్ అసైన్ చేయబడి ఉంటాయి. దేంతోని? మల్టిప్లికేషన్ లేకపోతే డివిజన్. అంటే మల్టిప్లికేషన్ తోని డివిజన్ తోని నంబర్ గానీ వేరియబుల్స్ గానీ అసైన్ చేయబడితే ఇట్ షుడ్ బి కన్సిడర్ యాజ్ వన్ టర్మ్. ఓకే. అండ్ టర్మ్స్ ని ప్లస్ లేదా మైనస్ తో మనం అసైన్ చేస్తే వచ్చేది ఆల్జీబ్రైక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్. ఓకేనా? సో వీ కెన్ మేక్ వన్ నోట్ హియర్. వాట్ ఇస్ దట్ నోట్? Plus minus separate the terms, isn't it? Separate the terms. Number 1. Number 2, into and division, do not separate the terms. Very important, Nana. Okay, right. Right? Yeah, I will give you one question. Please, you have to tell me the answer. Suppose x square plus 2y plus 3xy plus 2z. Yeah, how many terms we have? I'll ask you one by one. Wait, I will ask you one by one. In online, I will ask. Prashant, in that question, how many terms we have? Prashant, make it fast.
Sir,
How many terms we
4
have?
terms, sir.
4 terms. Very good. 4 terms we have. Ayan. Yeah. What are the 4 terms? He told 4 terms, right? Then what are the 4 terms?
यो बोलना
So addition, subtraction,
I'm asking about terms, no, not operations. Tofik. Tell me the answer, Tofik. Something you are saying. What are the terms involved in that algebraic expression? Nana? It's not understanding. Matish Mat.
Sir, last one is that what is Z3?
Z. That here. It is Z, Nana. It is Z. It is Z. Okay. Yeah. Okay, Nana. Offline. Last bench. What's your name, Nana? Last girl.
Sir, you are not asking me, sir.
Okay. What is the how many number of terms? 4, right? What are the terms? Did you understand the concept? Is this first class to you? Huh? Sit down. Can you tell me?
Sir, x square,
No.
2y,
Square term and a 2y term,
3xy,
3xy term,
and 2z.
2z term. These are the 4 terms involved in making the this algebraic expression. Okay. Right? Okay. See, and one more thing. So in x square plus 2y plus 3xy plus 2z, here we need to know about one more concept, coefficient. Coefficient. Coefficient is nothing but a number. It is a number, or maybe sometimes we indicate with alphabet also. coefficient is a multiple which is assigning to the given variable. Coefficient is a multiple which is assigning to a given variable. Write down. Right. So it is a multiple assigning to the variable in the given term, in the term. Suppose see, look at this example, x square plus 2y plus 3xy plus 2z. Take this last term, 2z. Here, 2 is the coefficient. 2 is the coefficient of z. For z, 2 is the coefficient. Okay. In this xy, 3xy term, 3 is the coefficient of xy. Coefficient of, in the 3xy term, what are the variables involved? X and y involved, right? For
Yes,
that,
sir.
for that xy term, 3 is the coefficient. Okay. And coming to this 2y.
XY.
In this 2y, 2 is
2
the
is the coefficient of y, sir.
y. And coming to x square term, what is the coefficient, Nana? What is the coefficient of x square? Nothing is there, right? So it means
Yes.
1 is the coefficient
Coefficient of x square.
of x square. Mute yourself, Tofik or Ayan. I think who's that? I don't know. Otherwise, I will completely mute you. Very few people are there, so that I'm unmuted.
Sir, here x square.
X square. Can't you see the screen, Nana? Okay, I will write a little bit this side. Okay. Tofik, why you're unmute? Why you are switching off your video? Sit properly. Sit properly. Sandwich in that sense, Nana.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear and up to here? Any doubts? Any doubts up to here? In coefficient, in
Sir,
variable.
I have one doubt, sir.
Just wait now, Sanvi. In coefficient, in terms and variables and algebraic expressions. Any doubts? No problem. You can ask, Nana. Huh? If, go to next. Yes, na, Sanvi. What's your doubt?
Sir, here there is 2z, sir. So
Okay.
can we write this as z is the coefficient of 2?
No, no, no. So coefficient is different. Z is the variable, right? Z,
Okay, sir.
Z is the variable. For that variable, we have coefficient.
Okay, sir.
Look at the definition of coefficient. Okay. And next.
Okay.
Next. Okay. Equation. Tell me, Sanvi. I think in the earlier of this class, you told me the definition of equation.
Yeah, sir. The equality of two expressions is called equation.
The equality of
Two expressions.
two expressions is called
Equation.
an equation. Right. See, expression is nothing but it is an algebraic expression now. Okay. Expression is nothing but algebraic expression, and we have one more expression which is nothing but numerical expression. Numerical expression also we have. What is mean by numerical expression? It do not contain any variables. It must. It is only in the numbers form. Suppose see, I will write 2 into 3 plus 2 divided by 2. This is a numerical expression, right? This is a numerical expression. So in the definition of equality, see, equation, the equality of two expressions are called. The equality of two expressions are called an equation. It means in the equation we have two parts, which is a LHS and RHS. See, suppose if I write x plus 2 is equals to 5, we have. So in the right side, see, this is a numerical expression. In the left side, it is a algebraic expression, right? And we have an equality sign here. In the expression, if equality symbol involved, then only we can say it is an equation. Okay. If equality symbol you can see, then only you can say it is an equation. If it is not having any equal symbol, it is not an equal equation. It is an algebraic expression. Okay. Got it? So what we can say here, all the numerical expressions are algebraic expressions. Okay. As all the numerical expressions are algebraic expressions. And one more thing, every equation is an algebraic expression. All right, here. Every equation is an algebraic expression. అంటే అన్ని ఈక్వేషన్లు కూడా ఆల్జీబ్రాయిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ అవుతాయి, బట్ అన్ని ఆల్జీబ్రాయిక్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ కావు. See, if you see here, x plus 2 is equals to 2. Is this an equation? Is this an algebraic expression? Next, take x plus 2. Is this an algebraic expression? X plus 2. This is an algebraic expression. It is an algebraic expression, Nana, but not equation.
Yeah, sir. It's
You observe the
expression.
difference.
But it's not
So here it
equation.
is equation as well algebraic expression, but it is only algebraic expression, not equation, because we couldn't find their equation sign, right? Okay,
Yes.
observe the difference.
It's left hand side. LHS or HS.
What I meant to this guy, Shailendra? Right? Huh? No. Tell me.
Sir.
Okay, then take the screenshots from first paper onwards. This is the first page. No. Then no ask coach, no problem.
Sir.
Yes, no. Tofik.
Sir, attendance పంపించాను సార్.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Already sent you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nana. Thank you very much. Next, second page. Is not having the term which is not having or not containing variable is called constant term. Okay. Next, see. So suppose if you observe this single term x square, what is the variable involved? X. For that x, what is the exponent? Exponent or power? What is the power of x?
Square, sir.
2. 2.
2, 2, 2.
Who is the exponent of first term? This I'm telling right now, right? Then wait. Number 2 in 2y, what is the power of y?
2, sir.
Power of y I'm asking.
Power of y.
X square plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0. So see, this is a coefficient, Nana, not the exponent. And this one is exponent. Exponent, or we call it is power. Okay. For y, we have only 1 on the top of y. Nothing is there means it should have 1. Okay. Exponent of y is 1. Okay. And what about this minus 2? There is no
One,
variable.
sir.
There is no variable. No, there is no variable. I'm asking about variable powers. Okay, there is no variable. See, in an equation, in the involved terms having some particular variables and some exponents, right? So in an equation, the highest exponent is called the degree of that equation. Right on. The
Yes.
highest exponent of involved variable in an equation is called degree of that equation. The highest exponent of involved variable in an equation is called degree of that equation. Now, okay, I'll give you some examples. So we didn't enter till now into the topic. We are discussing about in basics only still now. Okay. After this, we shall enter the topic. Right, see, Nana. Right, see. Suppose if I take x square plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0. Yeah, what is the, see, Nana. Here we shall discuss about degree in term wise. Okay. For this first term, what is the degree?
I think 2, sir.
2 is the degree because the variable is having 2 as the exponent. For this second term, 2y, what is the
1,
degree?
sir. 1.
For this, there is no exponent. It means 0 is the exponent of the variable, right? Which is the highest?
sir.
Which is the highest?
X square, sir.
2 is the highest, right? So the degree of x square plus 2y minus 2 is equals to 0 is 2. Okay? Did you understand, Nana?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, that is a degree. I'll give you one more example. What happens, Shishma? Every time you are something, you are in hurry. Huh? Yeah, na pen ఒకటి తీసుకో pen తీసుకో ఇగో తీసుకోనన్నా వద్దా థ్యాంక్ యూ ఇంకే మిగిలిపోయింది ఓకే రైట్ అన్న అర్థమవుతుందా లాస్ట్ బెంచెస్ నువ్వు ఉన్నావు చిన్నగా కదా ఇక్కడ కూర్చోవచ్చు కదా ముందుకు వచ్చి చిన్ననే ఉన్నావు కదా నువ్వు బోర్డు కనిపిస్తుందా నేనా మాస్క్ తీసి మాస్క్ సరే అరేంజ్ చేద్దాం రేపు ఒకసారి మనము హైట్ వైజ్ అరేంజ్ చేద్దాం అందరు హైట్ తక్కువ ఉన్నావా ఇక్కడ కూర్చున్నావు అవునా సరే రికమెండేషన్స్ ఎనీవే రేపు చూద్దాం మళ్ళీ చూద్దాం ఓకే రైట్ ఓకే అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ అనసి వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ x square plus 2x5 plus 3x square y 3x square y is equals to 2. See, what is the degree of the first term?
2, sir.
What is the degree of the second term? See, Nana, in the
Sir,
second
there
term,
is no.
Wait.
1, sir. 1.
wait, I will explain. In this, this is a very important concept, Nana. In the second term, involved two variables are involved. So now we should think about the two exponents. See, this is having x having 1 as exponent, y as having 1 as exponent. We shall add these two, 1 plus 1.
Oh, 2, sir.
That becomes 2. Okay, if involved variables are more than 1, we shall count the two exponents and we shall add them. Okay.
Sir, in the third term also we have two variables, sir, and also we have.
So what is the exponents of x? 2. Y exponent? 1. 2 plus 1 is
4, sir.
3.
Sir, x rada, sir, ikkada.
X power 2 nana and y power 1. 2 plus 2, how much it becomes 3, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
3. And this is already constant term. We should not consider that term degree, right?
So the degree of x square plus 2.
Then what is the degree now? This equation degree. 3 is the degree. 3 is the degree, not 3 is y. Square y. Involved variables yokka exponent తీసుకుంటాం. That is 3. Okay. Right?
The degree. 2 plus 2x square plus
మీరు
3
ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ అడగవచ్చు. సార్ ఇక్కడ ఏమి జరిగిందంటే చూడండి ఒకసారి ఇక్కడ కోఎఫిషియంట్ 2 ఉంది, దీని డిగ్రీ 2 వచ్చింది. దీని కోఎఫిషియంట్ 3 ఉంది, దీని డిగ్రీ 3 వచ్చింది. అంటే ఇక్కడ కోఎఫిషియంట్ ఏంటంటే డిగ్రీ అయితే 3 వస్తుంది సార్. అన్ఫార్చునేట్ క్వశ్చన్ అంటే క్రియేట్ జరిగింది అక్కడ, దానికి దీనికి సంబంధమే లేదు. అనా కోఎఫిషియంట్ కు డిగ్రీకి సంబంధం లేదు. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కోయిన్సైడ్ అయింది అక్కడ సిచ్యువేషన్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ క్రియేట్ వన్ మోర్ క్వశ్చన్ ఫర్ యూ. యా, x cube plus 2x square y cube plus 5x square. Okay, see nana, and equal to sorry minus 2 is equals to 0. See, what is the degree of first term? 3. Degree of second term? 2 plus 3 5 and what is 2? Okay,
2.
so what is the highest degree?
5, sir.
5 is the
5 is the degree.
highest.
5 is the highest degree of x.
Okay, right? Okay, clear? Yeah, right. So let me come to the topic. How much time remaining? 3 minutes enough. So what is our lesson name, Nana? Linear equation in one variable, right? So see in this second question, how many variables involved? See Nana, suppose Nana, how many different variables involved in this equation? X and y, right?
Yes.
So only two variables. X is, suppose if it present x is only in an equation only x is there. If it contain how many times only? How many times? We do not consider the times. Just we think about how many are there. Okay. So here the x is there. Okay. And for example, and y is also there. So number of variables in that, how many? 2 variables we have. Then what is the degree? 5. So this is a 5th degree. This is the 5th degree equation in 2 variables. What we call 5th degree equation in 2 variables. Okay, in 2 variables. As the same, suppose x plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 is the equation there. X plus 2y minus 2 is equal to 0 is an equation. So what are the, so what is your time, Nana? 11:40, 12:20, right? Yeah, last concept. Okay, we shall finish this now. So for this x, what is the degree? This term degree is 1. For this term,
1.
1 only. For this term, 0, right?
0, sir.
What is the highest degree? 1.
1.
What is the, how many variables? X comma y.
2, sir. 2
So
variables.
this is a 1 degree equation with
In 2 variables.
with 2 variables. Okay, right? Yeah, we'll discuss the main topic in the next class. Nana, time is up.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Till now we did not enter into topic, Nana. ఇంకా ఎంటర్ కాలేదు. ఓకేనా, ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాము బట్ టైం అయిపోయింది. విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ ద నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్. హ్యావ్ ఎ నైస్ డే. ప్లీజ్ టేక్ ద స్క్రీన్ షాట్స్ ఫాస్ట్. Which paper? Take that fast, Nana. I have another class, please.
Sir, next page.
Page. Next page. Make it fast. I have
The
other
next
question,
page.
Anna. Next page. And next page.
The next page. Next
page.
page. Next page.
Next page.
Next page. Sir, next
Next
page.
page.
Sir, next page, sir. Last one.
Wait, Nana.
Sir, last one, sir.
Just wait, Nana.
Sir,
Please.
less than one.
Don't make me hurry.
Sir, next page, sir.
Just wait, Nana.
Sir, next.
Sir, less than 1 minute, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.